Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and this is my top 5 features of the Samsung Galaxy A71 which I personally really like about the Samsung Galaxy A71, and this phone is costing around $440, about 70,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And so without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Number 5 is the super fast charging. Yes, this phone comes with the same super fast charging technology that we see on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series, and you can see here is the official box of the Samsung Galaxy A71. I also done the unboxing of the A71. If you're interested, watch that on my channel. And you can see in the box you get the same super fast charging adapter that we see on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series, which is coming at 25 watt. And guys, this super fast charging is help us a lot in my daily life. Definitely it is one of my favorite features about the Samsung Galaxy A71. And also we have this USB-C output, and also it is much faster than the 15 watt adapter fast charging that we see on the Samsung Galaxy A51. And guys, also this phone comes with a USB-C to C cable, because in the future we use the USB-C all around our devices. Number 4 is the battery life. Yes, this phone comes with a very good battery life, and this phone comes with a 4500 mAh battery size, which is even bigger than the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is coming at 4300 mAh. This phone give you a 1-day battery life without any problem. And also we don't have any quad HD display on the A71 that we see on the Note 10 Plus. Definitely battery life is really good on the Samsung Galaxy A71. You get 1-day battery life if you're also a heavy user. Number 3 is the design language of this phone. And guys, you can see that this phone comes with a very beautiful design language on the back as well as on the front. This phone give you a quad cameras on the back, as you can see, in L shape. And also we have this diamond cut design on the Samsung Galaxy A71, and you can see, and also in different lighting condition you also get some rainbow effect, as you can see. On the bottom we have the speaker, microphone, USB-C port and headphone jack. On the left we have a SIM tray. On the top we have a noise cancellation microphone. On the right we have a volume up and volume down rocker, and also we have this big display. Overall, I have to say that the design language is really good on the Samsung Galaxy A71. On the back we have this big rectangular shape camera setup in L shape. As you can see, on the back we have a quad cameras on the back, and the camera bump is not as big as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, which is a really good feature. But overall, I really like the design language on the Samsung Galaxy A71. Although back is made up of plastic, but this phone gives you a very handy feel. And also this phone is not very heavy because back is made up of plastic. This phone gives you a glossy finish on the back, and the side is also made up of plastic. But overall, this phone does not feel cheap. This phone feels very premium, not as premium as the glass phone, but I really like the design language on the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, number 2 is the cameras. This phone comes with a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 64 megapixel with f1.8 aperture. Then we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, which is coming at the f2.2 aperture. Then we have a 5 megapixel depth sensor, and also we have a new 5 megapixel macro lens, which you don't see on the Samsung Galaxy A70. And you can see here is the camera UI of the Samsung Galaxy A71. And also we have the scene optimized. By default it can take 12 megapixel shot, but if you really need a 64 megapixel shot, then you go to the aspect ratio area and then go to the 64 megapixel mode. But in 64 megapixel mode you don't get the flash and as well as the HDR. And let's go back to the normal mode, and you can see here is the normal. And then we have this ultra wide, which is coming at 12 megapixel. It is also really sharp. And then we have this live focus, which work very good on the Samsung Galaxy A71 because this phone comes with a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And lastly we have a 5 megapixel macro lens, which is a really good feature on the Samsung Galaxy A71. You can take very close-up shot without any problem. Flashlight in the macro mode. And the front camera is a 32 megapixel, as you can see. And also we have this little bit wide option, as you can see. The front camera as well as the back camera also shoot 4K with the 30 frames per second video recording, which is a really good feature on the A71. And the front camera also give you a live focus, and you can see which work good, but we don't have any depth sensor on the front. But the live focus is work very good on the Samsung Galaxy A71. You get some more features in the camera department, like the night mode, which is also available in normal mode, ultra wide, as well as with the front camera. and also we have the super slow-mo as well as a normal slow-mo. And guys, now let's show you some camera samples of the Samsung Galaxy A71. You get a better idea regarding the camera performance of the A71. And guys, number one is the display quality of this phone. Yes, this phone comes with a one of the best displays that I ever seen on a phone. And you can see this phone comes with a 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. And guys, you know that the Super AMOLED display, it is one of the best displays on the market right now. Give you a very good accurate colors, and also you get very deep black. And guys, this is a 60Hz display, not 90Hz or 120Hz that we see on the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. But also we have this Infinity O display, which is for some reason it is bigger than the Samsung Galaxy A51. But overall, I really like the display quality on this phone, one of the best display. And guys, also this phone give you a optical in-display fingerprint scanner, which is not the fastest, but still it works 95% all the time. And guys, also this is a flat display, not curved. Some people like the curved display and some people like the flat display. I personally like the curved display. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this my top 5 features about the Samsung Galaxy A71, which I personally really like, and I am really enjoying the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, let me know what is your favorite feature about the Samsung Galaxy A71, and subscribe to my channel for future content, and also wash your hand and stay in home. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.